What's up, my YT homies? It's your girl Alethea coming back with another video. And in this video, I am giving you guys, hold on, I haven't put on my jewelry, but in this video, I am giving you guys an update on my locks. So I'm going to pull my hair down in just a moment, but I just retightened my hair a few days ago. I finished it up yesterday morning. I started Thursday. So on Thursday, when I was doing my hair, I did this entire front. Was it this entire front on Thursday? Yeah, I did this entire front on Thursday. And y'all know I always section it in 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I did the entire front on Thursday. And then on Friday, I didn't do anything to it. I just chilled, me and the baby, because I had the baby this weekend. So we just chilled. And then on Saturday, because Thursday, Friday, and Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I did not go to work. I had a little procedure on Wednesday. And in that vlog, I don't even know if I'm going to upload that vlog. That vlog is crappy. But anyway, so Friday, I did not do anything at all when it came to my hair. Saturday, I did thick section. And then Sunday, I did this section. So my hair is finally done. All right, you guys. So today is, my watch is dead. Let's see. April the 22nd, and I'm about to retighten my hair. So let me tell y'all this. The last time I retightened my hair was before my mother's funeral. My mother's funeral was February the 19th, and that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I think 15th, 16th, and 17th, yeah, were the days I did my hair. So it really does need to be done. I haven't felt like doing my hair, and to be totally honest, I don't feel like doing my hair right now. If I had someone that could come through and hook me up, I would do it, but I don't. So I'm about to do what it do. Make it do what it do. Make it do what it do. So I'm going to give you a 360 as I have in the past, so you can see what I got going on. I got so many married hairs. Oh God, it's ridiculous. I can feel them as I do this. All right, so let's look at the left first. Today I'm about to shampoo my hair with this Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. Hair so clean and surprisingly soft. No sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no artificial colors. I got this from Influencer. I think I showed you guys, yeah, I showed y'all that in the video. And then I'm going to use the Dream Detangler Jelly to Cream Conditioner with aloe and glycerin. Also, no parabens, no petroleum, no mineral oil, no artificial colors. And I hope it doesn't strip my little color, because y'all see I did color my hair a couple of weeks ago. And I wanted to use the Melanin Hair Care, the one by Whitney White. But that one, I noticed it strips my color. I'm about to go and shampoo it, and by the time I come back, unless I come back as I'm doing my hair, by the time I come back, it will be completed. But I'm also going to talk to you guys a little bit about where I'm at, how I'm feeling, and about being at month 22, almost at month 23. It'll almost be 2 years and 2 months. No, it's not, it'll almost be, but it will be 2 years and 2 months that I have been on this journey. Yep. And I'll also discuss like where I'm locked at, where I'm not locked at, some ones that I don't like. For instance, like this paper thin right here, you know, I mean, and it goes like way here, but it's like paper thin, you know. So anyway, I'll be back. All right, you guys, so first off, I'm gonna have to show you guys something that I did to my hair that I hope is not real noticeable. If it's real noticeable, I'm gonna take them down, but if it's not real noticeable, I'm gonna leave it alone. So let me pull it down to a middle part so I can give you guys this 360 going on. All right, so here's the front, and you guys know, and don't come for me. Don't come for me if this is your first time being on my channel. Do not come for me. I have a thinning hair at the top and around my edges. It is what it is. It's been that way. My mom had alopecia. My aunt had alopecia. My mom's wasn't as bad as my aunt's, and my father, now that I know him, and I wouldn't say he has alopecia. He doesn't have. He has locks, and they're really long back here, but up here they're gone. So anyway, so I have it on both sides now that I know that. So anyway, don't come for me talking about my hair. But anyway, this is the middle. Let's get this together. So as you guys know, I combined a lot of my locks. I don't know how many I have now. I'm still in the Sisterlock realm, in my honest opinion. That's what I paid for. That's what I have. So don't come for me. But I do, in my video, I do title it Sisterlock / Microlocks, because some of mine are now the size of Microlocks and some of them are still itty bitty. I've even combined some and made them into two, and they're still like itty bitty. Now, right here, I don't know if you guys remember or recall, I have these two short locks right here. These two short locks. And what happened, one of y'all recall, I combed it out, and I should have combed it out wet, but when I combed it out dry, so therefore it broke off. And it was like, girl, like down here, it was really, really short when I did that. And then this one, what happened, it thinned out so bad. And I'm not about that life of adding hair and trying to save locks here and there. Maybe one day I'll be about adding hair, but right now, no. So it thinned, so it went. All right, so now back to what I was saying about my locks. Y'all know I combined a lot of my locks. So if I come close, you'll see that there are rubber bands here. I have a lot of them that have rubber bands on the ends, and that's because I got sick of the two-headed dragons. I really did. I got sick of the two-headed dragons. So that's what I did to eliminate that. So if it does look a mess, I'll change it. How do I want to wear my hair? So where am I at now in my lock journey? I'm not going to lie to you guys. I have thought about cutting my hair off a couple of times. Not because I don't want my locks anymore, but because... well, not because I don't like my locks anymore. Let me put it that way. I'm not saying I don't want my locks, but I was, going through some things when my mom passed, and that was one reason I thought about cutting them off. But another reason, and I took on doing my hair myself. I did, but sometimes I just don't want to do it. And this time I let 8 weeks go by, which in my honest opinion was probably too long. I think I need to go at least 6, maybe 6 to 7 weeks, but 8 weeks, it was okay. So And if I had someone to do my hair, I would have gotten someone to do my hair this time. Not all the time, because I prefer doing my own hair, I will say that. But every now and again, especially if you're tired or if you got something going on, you'd rather somebody else do it. However, you guys know, I mean, I don't know how many locticians, I mean, I'm sure there are people around here, but I'm not on the hunt for somebody to go to here and there, because I'm not going to go and just put my hair back in someone else's hands. I am 22 months in. June will be 24. June will be 2 whole years that I have had my locks. I think my hair is flourishing. Now, I will tell you guys, just being truthfully honest, I probably have about, I'll say about 10 locks that I may have compromised the integrity of them. And when I say that, that's because sometimes, and it happens when you're retightening your own hair, you can end up getting hair into another lock. And you can sometimes, and the loctician will do it. They'll, you know, when your hair is marrying, they'll just tear it apart, or they'll cut it depending on how bad it's marrying. And I've gotten locks caught up in other locks, but also, and it's not that often, it's only a couple of times, but right here in the back, my hair, if you guys recall, my hair in its natural state is fine. It's not like all over silky soft, but I have fine textured hair. But in the back, it's so stringy in some parts that when my hair marries, oh my God, it's like, it's for life. It is for life. The marrying is ridiculous, and it drives me crazy. So I have to do a whole lot of separating in the back, a lot, just entirely too much. And so I've had a couple of locks that where they've married so bad that I've had to kind of snip. So that has happened, but I'm fine with that, because that could have happened with anybody. Because even when I was with my previous consultant, she had to snip a couple of times because my hair married so bad in the back. So I never said when I got my locks that I was on this lock journey for life. So let me say that. So when I say that, I'm not saying that I'm about to get rid of my locks. I'm just saying that whenever the time comes that I decide that I no longer want them, that I truly decide, not me just around here saying, oh, I think I'm going to cut my locks off. Not that, but me truly deciding that I no longer want my locks. There's nothing, no one, my wife, my daughter, no one can say that is going to make me keep something that I don't want to keep. You know what I mean? So that is how that goes. Like I said, it's still one of the best things that I could, not one, it's still the best thing that I could have done to my hair. I do honestly believe it is the best thing that I could have done to my hair, because I don't have to worry about my hair. I'm careful. Is this how I want to wear my, let me see. Oh gosh. I don't have to worry about my hair on a regular basis. I mean, except other than when I'm going through something like this, trying to decide how I want to do it for the day. I think I kind of want to do something like this. Yes, girl, yes. Okay, so where's my clip? Let me see if I can find a clip. So my battery got exhausted and I had to change the battery out. So I think I was on the part about this being the best decision that I've made for me and my hair, as far as time goes, as far as retaining length, as far as easy maintenance, as far as, I think that goes along with time. But as far as just, you know, cutting down on products, because I've saved money on products and everything. So overall, this has been the best hair decision that I have made. It really has. Like I said, you know, have the thinning areas, and so sometimes I do wear my hair to where I cover them up, and I'm not let me say thin areas, because they were thin before I got my locks. And with the way I used to wear my hair before my locks, I would always cover it up unless I wore it back in a ponytail. And even with my locks, I tried to cover it up, but not all the time, because it is what it is, and I can't worry about it. Overall, oh, and as far as my hair, gosh, Lee, as far as my hair locking, okay, let me show y'all. So my hair is starting to lock. My hair is still not fully locked, but let me show y'all something. Do you see this right here? This is 2 locks. This is 2 locks. This has no type of thickness to it. No type of lockage to it. This is 2 locks that I combined. There's the rubber band on the end. This is 2 locks. That is so thin. I do have some More so, I think back here, I got a couple back here. I have some that have some budding on them. Like this one is not really 100% locked because I combined it as well. Let me see if I can find one. And some of them, yeah, okay, no. Where is it? I got a really short one back here that is definitely, I don't know if y'all can see that one. He's locked. Well, he's locked here, but not at the root. I have a couple that, I hate that I put my hair up. I don't want to take my hair back down. But I do have a couple that are in here, up in the top, that are locked. But overall, my hair is not locked fully all the way through. And yes, I'm almost at the 2-year mark. I have never been so indecisive about my hair. I don't know what it is this morning that is making me be so indecisive about my hair, but there is something. There is something. But look at the hang. Look at the hang. Let me see what the back looks like myself. I think I was all over the place with this video, but it is what it is. Y'all, sometimes my focus is just point blank off. It is. And this morning I think it's off. And maybe I need a little coffee. I don't know. Maybe I need some coffee. But anyway, that is it for this video. I will be in to give you my 24-month update. I can tell you now there will not be a picture collage of 2 years like there was of 1 year, because I have not taken pictures of my hair this second year like I did the first year. And it wasn't because I just didn't care. It's because things have happened. Sometimes I forgot, and then, you know, things have happened in my life and all that. And so it's like just taking pictures of my hair was not on my top list of priorities. But I will try to start doing better with taking pictures moving forward. So with that being said, that is it for this video. I do hope that, I mean, I've had several people asking me about the lock update, so here I am with the lock update, and I do hope you'll stick around for other things besides the locks, because this channel is about more than just my hair. Because like India Ari, I am not my hair, baby. I am not my hair. So with that being said, I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do hope you'll like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And until the next time, in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.